Like many parents, Osama and Lubna are concerned about educating their children and guiding them to do little responsibilities that are appropriate for their ages. Lubna created a schedule to motivate her children. After 1 month, she observed a positive change in their behavior. For more encouragement, Osama began by rewarding the children for the points they had collected. But calculating points manually is exhausting, and printing papers every day is harmful to the environment. Anis, Osama's friend, suggested to him My Little Tasks app for managing children's tasks. While it contains over 30 tasks suitable for Islamic culture, allows you to modify and manage these tasks, calculates financial rewards for collected points. After a while, Osama met Anis and thanked him for that awesome app, as the children became more disciplined and more responsible. Download it now, available on the App Store and Google Play.